Hello internet people, my name is Robert and I'm your website guy. In this video I'll show you how to create a menu link to a section of a page. It doesn't matter if it's the same page or a certain part on another page. It will work in both cases. And the best part, you won't even need a plugin to get this done. I'm going to show you how to do it in Gutenberg and WordPress classical editor. After this video, your users will be teleported to the right section like this.
Wait a minute. This isn't my world.
Tape sweat punch.
Alright, so to create a link to a section of a page, we will need to create a so-called anchor link and anchor tag. And basically we need to add an anchor tag to the page so that the code will know where to scroll to. And the anchor link will be the trigger. Let me show you how to easily add an anchor tag in Gutenberg editor. Alright, this is my home page, and let's say from the menu I want to have a link that actually scrolls you to the right section. So let's say I wanted to have here latest posts, yeah? So all you have to do is go to your WordPress dashboard. Then you go to the page you want to add this anchor link. So then select pages, all pages. And in my case, it's my home page. So I'm gonna click on the edit. Arnie, what page are you editing?
I do not want to touch his ass.
Okay. And then I'm just going to scroll until I see the latest posts. If you're using the WordPress Gutenberg, it's the default editor, then it's super easy. You just come here and click on the element you want to link to, and then you'll see you have this advanced tab here, and you see HTML anchor. So you come here in this section, HTML anchor link, and just type in latest posts. You'll notice that it adds a dash automatically, and that's fine because it needs it. Otherwise, it won't work if there's spaces there. So it will add it automatically. And then just update the article. And you won't see any changes right now. I mean, it looks exactly the same.
You are not you. You're me.
Hey, if you like this video so far, I would appreciate if you can hit the like button. That would help me a lot. Thanks. And here's a quick guide on how to add an anchor tag in the classic editor. Now, if you're using the classic editor, then the process is slightly different. So scroll down to the section you want to link to. In my case, it's this header here, latest posts. Then select the text. And here at the top right corner, you have visual and text tab. Just select the text tab. You will see a bunch of HTML code, but don't worry, WordPress will indicate the selected text. You can see it here, it's in the blue. It's not 100% accurate. As you can see here, it selected some weird thing here above, but just under it, you can see that there's a title, latest post. So just before this closing tag, create some space and type ID equals double quotation marks, latest dash posts. Double quotation marks at the end, and that's about it. Don't forget to add the dashes instead of empty spaces, otherwise it won't work. And then click on update. And from this point on, the process is the same as in Gutenberg editor. A bit like all Rocky training montages. So next, what we need to do is actually add it to the menu. So what I'm going to do is come to appearance, and I'm going to right click on the menus and open it in a new tab. And in this one, you come to your menu, and I'm going to create a custom link. And this link, all you have to do is remove all the stuff. I'm going to grab my URL to a homepage like this. So full. And then I'm gonna add hashtag latest dash posts. I'm gonna name it the same as the anchor link, but I'm gonna add this hashtag in front of it.
Into the tunnel.
You can give the link a name. So in this case, it will be latest posts. And I'm gonna add it to the menu. You'll see it'll be the last element here, and that's fine for me. Save menu. And now if you come here and you refresh your home page, you'll see you have latest posts. If you click on it, it'll just come here. It wasn't very smooth, it kind of just jumped. And actually you don't see latest post because I have this bar here, but it still goes to the right section. The thing is that if you go to another page, so for example, I'm here now on blog and I still click on latest post, it will load my homepage and it will take me to the right section. So that's great. This is how you can share the URL and give it to somebody and they will end up in the right spot in your article or on the page. And if you want to have a bit more smooth scrolling instead of this jumping link, then you need to install a plugin, and I have a tutorial how to do that in just 4 minutes. It will appear here at the top. And here are 2 videos you should watch next. In the first one, I will show you 6 plugins that every WordPress website should have, and they will help you with SEO, page speed, and also security. And in the second one, I will dive into a on-page SEO step by step so you can rank higher. What?